If you are a content creator or a regular email user struggling to organize your Gmail inbox, welcome back to our channel Go Dynamic IT. As a content creator, I receive emails from various sources on regular basis. However, I often miss the important emails from my subscriber. In today's video, we will learn how to move email to a specific folder so that we can focus on important ones. As you can see here, I have received the email from the various sources. So you can see here the common one is Facebook, Hostinger, WordPress, Canva, and the etc. So our task is to create a folder called YouTube, WordPress, and Hostinger and move all the relevant existing emails and future email to those folders. So first thing first, what we'll do is first select this WordPress, and then I mean before selecting the WordPress, let me show you the common thing here. You have to make sure that these emails are common on all the emails which you are selecting. So they see this is my first email, and the sender email is WordPress at the rate godynamicit.com. And when you come to the next one, it says the wordpress.godynamicit.com. This should be the common, the sender should be common. So let's select this common sender and click on these three dots here, and then you have to select this filter message like this, and you can see the moment you select the filter message like this, again all messages are selected below here, right? And you can select the subject here, you can remove it, but let it be if it is select, and then you have to create a filter here. Inside the filter, you have to select the first one. You have to select is skip the inbox. What it does, it like whenever you receive the email from this sender, it will skip the inbox. It will not send you the inbox. It will archive it. But the question is where archive it, right? So for that you have to create a level. Archive means it will send you to the folder. So here it asking about to apply the level. So we do not have any level here. So what we'll do is we'll create a new level here, and we create a called WordPress, and we create a hello, and we can create it. So if you have a, so this is for nested one. What is the nested one? You can, if you want to create a folder inside this one, let's say this is the main folder, and if you want to create a folder, create a new other folder, you can create it here. So let's create, I do not have any subfolder, so I just create a main folder here. And then the question is, it says, you can see here, the third one you have to select is apply filter to 35 matching conversations, right? So what is does it? It will it will select the emails from your current inbox. If you don't select that, then what is does it? It will in the future email will go to your this folder. Hello, WordPress hello. I want to move this existing email also to this folder. So create folder here, and you can see here the labels. This WordPress hello has come. So when you click here, as you can see here, all emails has moved to the WordPress. When I go back to inbox, you can see all emails from the WordPress has been disappeared and moved to the hello world. So let's take one more example here. Now let's create a filter for Google Alerts. So you can see here, I received an email stating that there is an alert. So you can just notice this. This has come from no reply at the rate accounts.google.com. Let's select the other one, security alerts. It says that no reply from accounts.google.com. No, fine. So what we'll do is we'll just select this alerts, and when again we'll go back to this three dots and create on this filter message like this. And here you can see here, this is from this reference, the subject not required, nothing, no, don't have to select anything here. If you want to go to the advanced level, go ahead and do that. But our intention is to move all the email which I have received from this particular email address to account alert. So click on create filter, and again we'll select this skip the inbox archive, and we have to choose the level. So we can see create a new label, is called Google Alert, and create. And then I also want to move all these alert messages to this Google Alert folder. Now create on the filter. You can see now the Google Alert folder has created, and see all, I mean, we can see here we have a 22 messages from the Google Alert which has been moved to the folder here. When you go back to inbox, you can see here this inbox is clean now. So this is how you can create the filters and move all your emails respectively or immediately to this labels. So so this will work. How this is work? So it will move our existing emails and it will move all your future emails to that particular labels. So that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, query, or any feedback related to this video, please do let me know in the comment box. Thank you very much for watching my video.